Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by assembling the audio and video files you'll use. First, import your chosen background track into your editor and place it on an audio track beneath your main clip. Make sure the music is licensed or from YouTube Audio Library so you avoid copyright strikes. Once done, roughly align the audio's start to your video's opening so there's no silence. You're setting a foundation. Correct file types, sample rates, and a visible timeline make the rest of the steps predictable and fast. Now you shape how the music supports your content. Use volume automation or keyframes to duck the music during speech. Reduce the background by 10 to 20 decibels when dialogue occurs so viewers hear you clearly. Apply short fades at edits and a 1 to 3 second fade in at the start so sounds don't pop. If the track is shorter than the video, loop carefully at phrase boundaries or cut on beats to avoid rhythm breaks. This stage controls clarity and emotional pacing. Finish by exporting a test render and listening on headphones and speakers to verify balance and bass. Make sure the master peak sits around -1 decibel and overall loudness is near -18 to -12 lufs. Apply a limiter or normalize if peaks clip. If YouTube flags copyright, swap the track for a cleared source or trim the problematic segment and re-upload. Finally, add closed captions and metadata. Then publish. This ensures accessibility and avoids later strikes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.